Welcome to The Real Amanda Young. So excited to have you here. If you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe so you can stay in the loop when I post new videos. Also share this out because someone may need to hear this hack because this is really powerful. Castor oil, a natural remedy for arthritis. So if you've ever struggled with joint pain or inflammation in the joints, it can be frustrating and it can be very painful. So I decided to try castor oil. This is what I use. If you like to check out what I use, I'll put all the links for this video down below for you to check out. But castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties in it. So when you apply it into the area, wherever you have any aches or pains, whether it's your hands, your feet, your knees, just take castor oil and just rub it into the joints. Wherever there's pain, just rub it in there. Use it every single night. It will really help with the inflammation and the pain that is going on in there. Castor oil is very thick and it can stain. So I always recommend using old sheets, old pajamas, because it will stain over time. I noticed that with my pillow. It was actually by accident. I'm like, oh, this stuff stains. So, okay, this is good to know. So, but anyways, you just apply it like lotion, like whatever you're putting lotion on, right? Like, so if you have knee pain, just apply it to your knee. Take some and just apply it and rub it in there and massage it in there, and the oil will penetrate deep in there and break up the inflammation and stuff that's going on that. So it's a really natural home remedy that you can use for arthritis. I hope this brought you value, and also remember to click the subscribe button and share this out. Thanks so much for watching, and you have an amazing, awesome day. Bye.